All right, let's do some technical analysis on Polkadot. All right, so Polkadot had a big, huge run up and then it's been trending down pretty much, just like all the rest of the coins pretty much. So what I want to do is do a Fibonacci retracement and we'll drag from the bottom and drag that to the top. That'll give us a couple levels that we can watch. It actually looks like we got a little bit of support on this 78% level and then we dipped a little bit below it and then we're coming back above it. The main thing that I'm watching is we have this downtrend going something like this, or we did have it, and we actually broke above it right here. At the same time, we also broke above the daily 9 moving average. If you guys follow my channel, you guys know I talk about that all the time. It looks like we have this 180 moving average coming in right here. This is like around 228.14. Yeah, so Polkadot's been doing pretty good compared to a lot of other coins. And yeah, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and we also have an uptrend going something like this. We can pretty much watch this uptrend, and until we break this uptrend going to the downside, like something like that, I'm going to be assuming that we're going to keep riding it and maybe even forming higher trends, maybe something like that. I'm not sure. We'll kind of see though. That's what I'm watching on Polkadot. I'm going to be watching this trend line on the 4-hour time frame, and until we break that going to the downside, I'm assuming that we're going to the upside. If we switch to the weekly time frame, I talk about this on Doge a lot, and we broke above the 9 moving average on the weekly time frame, which is very bullish. We actually also got a little bounce on it too. We came down, retested it, and it looks like we're heading back up. So this looks really good. We've had a couple green candles for the past couple weeks. So yeah, let's see if we can keep this momentum going. I like Polkadot. On Kraken, you can stake it and it gives you some pretty good returns on it. So if you haven't checked that out, and if you haven't checked out Kraken, they have some pretty good staking for Polkadot. So let's try to get a target. All right, so we have some bottom support right here, something like that. So let's see. I'm thinking that this almost looks like a falling wedge, something like that, and we're breaking it to the upside right here. So what I would target is something like this previous resistance right there. We came up, got resistance, and then started coming back down. So yeah, somewhere around 2707, somewhere around there, and that's actually the 50% level right there as well. And also this 180 moving average is coming in right around that area too. So I would say maybe I'm going to probably be targeting around $28, $27.80, somewhere around there. All right, if you guys like these videos, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to keep up to date.